Good day, Withyin family. My name is Joel, and I'm introducing to you in this short little video just a few of the foundational tenets as I see it and as I've learned along my journey with food and nutrition that I think are really a nice general umbrella for pretty much everyone to take into consideration. The first most obvious point probably is that the world of nutrition and natural health as a whole is a sea of information. In fact, I would say that the information age we're in is an overabundance of a particular vitamin of sorts that we really have to exercise a little bit of discernment, and it helps to have some foundational knowledge to fine-tune that discernment about what information is relevant for me and what is not. The reality is that there are probably as many diets out there in the world as there are people. Why? Because everyone is in a unique place in their life, emotionally, psychologically, and certainly physically. And depending on the myriad of conditions that might be prevalent for a person in that particular part of their life, the particular area that they live, a person is being affected by a nuance of factors, pollution factors, stress factors, inheritance, physiological factors. All these things take a different toll on our body's ability to respond to stress. And as a result of that, we need very individualized attention. Now, not everyone's going to have access to a coach of some kind to be able to orient and navigate through the world of food so that I can know how does food make me healthy. And this is where I like to talk a lot about our personal relationship with food. I think this is probably one of the lesser spoken about things, and albeit one of the most important factors about food, is to understand that we have a relationship with food. We eat for different reasons. Most of us probably think that we eat because we need energy. Well, guess what? You need air as a source of energy more so than you need food, in the same way that you need water more so than you need food. Whichever one you can go without the least amount of time, obviously that's even more important. So we have a lot of built-in beliefs around food in terms of why we need it, how much we need, what we need, most of it adopted from our family as well as our society as a whole. And what I'm going to be challenging you when we have a more longer session is to really analyze some of these beliefs and just with an open mind consider that they may actually not serve you and work against you. And we can look at what other views are there and why you might want to take them into consideration, because it really is part of personal development and wellness as a whole to embrace things with an open mind, to consider that we don't always have the answers we think we need, and we also need to ask for help as well. That's something a lot of us aren't very good at doing. So when we talk more at length about food and wellness, we're going to talk about our mental and emotional relationship with food, and we'll get into some of the nitty-gritty about what generally are sources of food that we might want to gravitate to that might be more relevant for our particular kinds of situations, level of activity, predisposition or existing predisposition of health, and things of that nature. So I hope that this tickles your curiosity a little bit, and I'll wrap it up here for now. I hope you guys all have a great day. Take care for now.